Hello, everybody. As so many families are hurting due to COVID-19 and everything that is happening in our world today, we understand the need for families, for households, for people who have little ones at home, or they cannot speak English, or they don't have education, or they just want to bridge between a virtual and non-costly way of making a living to eventually starting a brick and mortar business. So whatever you are in this category of people, you have a passion for food and you want to be able to make and sell your food to earn some money for whatever reason that we mentioned before. So we are building a platform for you guys to be able to learn the step-by-step of how you can monetize on your cottage food operation, from the mindset you need to gain to the step-by-step of product development, understanding your market, and more importantly, understanding the rules and the regulations in your own state, what you can and can't do. And then of course, developing your own customer base, your product, your packaging, and going to market forever. Yes, market forever, because as a business owner, once you start your business, you shouldn't stop marketing and getting out and advertising for your product. Cottage Kitchen in a Box is the platform that will allow you to enter an ecosystem that will help you gain all the skills you need step by step. And in addition to your Facebook group, to the courses, to the ecosystem we're offering you, we're also giving you 2 years access to Kitible, which is a platform where you can actually sell your bake and cook goods and make money from the comfort of your home. So we are actually having a launch period fee that you pay one time and you get access for life. So what are you waiting for? Click the button below and join the tribe that we're building for cottage food operators. And I will see you on the other side. Shabashans here.